Working with shared folders on JSTOR. Here we are viewing a folder I just accessed through a link shared by a colleague. In JSTOR, you can view, export, or copy a shared folder. If I choose the Export button at the top of the page, I can download images in that folder to PowerPoint or a zip file. I can also generate a PDF of a reference list of all the folder content. By choosing the Copy Folder button, I can make my own copy of this colleague's work. This is useful if you're collaborating with someone to curate course content. After I choose the Copy Folder button, if I'm not already logged in to my personal JSTOR account, I'm prompted to log in or register. This account is free and allows me to both copy a folder and create my own folders of content I find on JSTOR. After logging in, a copy of my colleague's folder will be added to my workspace. We are now in the folder I just copied to my JSTOR workspace. When I copy a folder to my own workspace, it's mine to edit in any way that I want. The title begins with the words "Copy of" by default. I can choose the overflow menu after the folder name to change that with the Rename button. If I ever want to see changes to the folder that was originally shared with me, I can choose to click on the link to the shared folder after the folder name and date last modified. Here we are in the folder that was shared with me. An information box near the top of the page lets me know if new changes have been made to this content so that I can copy it again if I would like.